Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Amanda, and to all of those who have been with us from the beginning, welcome back. Today I wanted to bring you a super smoky winged liner. Lots of people are calling this FOXY eyes, I think. I've done my own interpretation of it. The way that my eyes are, they're very hooded in the inner corners as opposed to the outer corners. So I can't do that really beautiful inner corner wing that everybody does without it looking really wonky on the inner corner when I close my eyes. So this is my own version of it, but I still really love how smoky and sultry it came out. So if you want to see how we did this, then keep on watching. Alright everyone, so I started today with my complexion and my brows done so we could focus on the eyes. With a Morphe M224 brush, I'm taking my Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow primer and patting that all over the lids and blending that out with a beauty blender if there's any harsh edges. And today we'll be using the Urban Decay Naked 2 palette. So with a Zoeva 234 brush, I am applying the shade FOXY all over my lids just to set that eyeshadow primer. On a Zoeva 317 brush, I'm taking the Marc Jacobs Gel Highliner in Blaquer, and I am following the lower lash line to create my wing. And you don't have to be super precise with this because we're going to clean it up with concealer at the end. Next, with a Zoeva 230 brush, I am just smudging out that liner, and I'm going to go over that with a little bit of blackout as well from the same palette. And you want to try and blend downwards, not upwards. So with a Morphe M514 brush, I'm just giving that a little bit more of a blend. And then on that same 230 brush, I'm taking Tease from the palette and blending that on top to create our gradient. Then on that same 317 brush, I'm taking my gel liner and applying that to the lower lash line and connecting it with the wing. With that 230 brush again, we're going to take Tease and really smoke out that lower lash line. Now is when we're going to go ahead and clean this up with concealer. So I am using the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer in Vanilla and my Morphe M224 brush. And then I'm just going to go ahead and blend out any harsh edges with my beauty blender. And then I'm just going to go ahead and apply a coat of my TooFaced Better Than Sex mascara. So I really wanted this to seem extra winged out on the outer corners. So I cut some Ardell Whispie lashes in half and I'm just applying them to the outer corners. And then I'm just blending those falsies in with my natural lashes by applying a little bit more of that gel liner that we used at the beginning. Next, I'm applying my Fenty Beauty Stunna lip paint in Uncuffed, starting with the Cupid's bow and then working my way to the center from the outer corners. On a Morphe M510 brush, I'm taking my Urban Decay Shapeshifter palette in light medium shift and just contouring the hollows of my cheeks. And I just went a little bit too heavy with the contour here, so I'm taking a Sephora 55.5 brush and just giving that a quick blend. Then on a Morphe 405 brush, I'm taking my Nars Orgasm blush and applying that to my cheeks. Next, I'm taking my TooFaced Chocolate Soleil bronzer on a Sephora Precision Powder brush number 59 and applying that to the perimeters of my face, just to give myself a little bit of warmth. Then on a Morphe 438 brush, I'm taking my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Skin Frost in Peach Goddess, and I'm applying that to my cheekbones. The tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, my forehead, my Cupid's bow, and my chin. And then I'm also going to just place a little bit of extra shine on my brow bones as well. And then I'm just going to set it all down with my Makeup Forever Mist and Fix. Alright guys, so this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed watching it. I really had fun creating this look. Blending is the key here. It just takes some patience, but keep at it. If you do create this look, I would love to see it on Instagram. Tag me in it. My Instagram is listed in the description box below, along with all products used in this video. If you enjoyed watching, please feel free to subscribe. I'd love to have you as a member of our little family, and hit that bell icon to be notified every time I post a new video. We post every Friday, and I post extra little tutorials on my Instagram at least midweek. And once again, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!